So I'll be showing you how to add apps on the home screen of your Samsung Smart TV. So let's say you have an app on your TV, maybe you downloaded it, or maybe it's already available when you bought the TV, but it's not on your home screen. To add it, you want to go to apps, and then when you launch apps, this should take you to this page, and if you scroll, you should see a row of downloaded apps. So this is a list of all the apps available on your TV, but you'll notice an app like this one is not available on the home screen. So to add it, just long press on that app icon, and then from the menu, select add to home. And that's going to add the app tile to your home screen, and you can move it exactly where you want it, and then press the selection button on your remote to place it there. And now from now on, that app will always be available on your home screen. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.